24 के पहले सीए बनना था.
24 के पहले सीए बनना था. One of my teacher he had mentioned कि 5 years of मेहनत is 50 years का luxury या फिर 5 years का luxury is 50 years का गुलामी. CA is something ना, it's like a gamble. You study so much, but एक मार्क से you flunk off. In that I used to complete my morning tuition, जिसके लिए I used to reach at 6 o'clock.
She used to reach at 6 o'clock. हम उठते थे 6 बजे.
So I used to get late, मतलब 10-15 मिनट.
That 6 is also late. My God. Isha, what are you?
बाप रे बाप, I used to make such bad excuses for going. Like किसी ना किसी का घर में तबीयत या किसी ना किसी का ऑपरेशन होने वाला है.
Oh my God.
He is like the special appearance
Yeah.
person. So we use him sometimes. I think people always think कि CAs are very like बुद्धू, चुपचाप,
कौन
underconfident.
है वो? किसे लग रहा है सीएस बुद्धू है भाई? Chartered accountant, educator, and a voice that's making money conversations sound very simple and relatable. Hi, I'm Sonal, and today we are going off script with someone who's turned one of India's toughest degrees into content, and she's actually helping many people make very smart, strategic choices. I'm talking about CA Isha Jaiswal. Hi, Isha, how are you?
Hey Sonal, it's great coming over to this show.
I am so glad that
And
you're here.
It's super nice meeting you more than
And you've just had a baby like 4 months ago, and you're here. I have to tell everyone, she's flown down from Calcutta for this shoot. I feel guilty almost. Say sorry to Nitya on my behalf.
I think the dedication of the whole CA journey which has taught me, I think that has like made me come to this particular show.
I'm so glad. But चीजें कैसे बदली है after motherhood? Tell me.
I think काफ़ी बदल गया था. See, as a CA, we always think not after the things have occurred.
Yeah.
We don't plan after this. We start planning before that.
Right.
So when Nitya was, when my baby was in my stomach, in my womb, so we as a couple we started planning for her since that particular
Wow.
time, and then the planning goes ki
Yeah.
financially how we'll structure her, mentally, physically, and even my husband thinks that one particular activity which particularly my daughter will be doing, and that's his dream to make her as a grandmaster
Wow.
and putting her into chess, and because
That's
that's
amazing.
his particular skill which he wants to transfer to his daughter.
That's so sweet. Do you have any such thing कि मेरा ये तो आना ही चाहिए इसमें?
I think she's already got the way I sleep. Like today morning, I was having my breakfast, and as I just slept anywhere. So I think that thing
वो
has
कहीं
already
नहीं.
come to
अच्छा
her.
है. I mean 4-month-old बच्ची अगर सो पा रही है कहीं.
So the best thing which she does is the entire night she sleeps peacefully. Like from 10 o'clock she sleeps, and then she wakes up at 6 o'clock. Now to her time has increased. She wakes up at 8:30, 9 o'clock. She drinks some milk, and then she again sleeps for half an hour, 1 hour, and then she wakes up.
Wow, I mean any of the mothers out there जो हमेशा से इस बात से थोड़े से परेशान होते हैं कि बच्चा रात को सोते नहीं है ना हमें सोने देती है are going to be so envious of you कि you've got that child.
Yeah, I think that sleeping genes
Yeah,
have
have
specifically
passed
got
down.
transferred.
If you want your baby to sleep well at night, you should first of all learn to sleep well at night. That is what Isha is also teaching us now. But Isha, you've done CA. It's one of the toughest exams to crack. You've done that, and then you came into content creation. First of all, how did you become, like, how did you get into CA? What was that time or moment in life when you were like, CA karna hai?
See, there's very silly story behind ki why I wanted to do a CA, and like it was a particular profession ki it was a do or die ki I have to do it any means. मतलब जो भी मेहनत लगे I am going to put it into मतलब 4.5 years I'll be like sacrificing my life.
Damn.
No WhatsApp, no Facebook, no Instagram. I didn't have a social media account until I became a CA. So there's a huge story. I'll start from A.
Please.
So see, I always wanted to become a doctor because see, I'll tell you the entire story. I always wanted to become a doctor. Till class 8, whenever someone used to ask me, my grandfather or my father, I said कि मेरे को डॉक्टर ही बनना है ये सब करना है, and because that was the most prestigious degree, and people look up to doctors as some god or some angel who has been sent. So मेरे को वो करना ही था, but the thing is कि class 8 में I got chicken pox. And when I got my chicken pox, my hormones started changing. And then from class 8, whenever the biology teacher used to say some dissection or some thing of a lizard, of a mouse, I used to feel like I used to get goosebumps. And then I thought कि नहीं बाबा नहीं, मेरे को class 9 से I had an option कि you can choose science, commerce or arts. Then from then at that point of time I thought कि अब मेरे को CA ही करना है. Like I took my science books, I went off. But then I came back with my books and I said no. Even the vice principal tried to persuade कि ईशा नहीं, you have got good marks भाई, बाकी लोग wait कर रहे हैं, they didn't get science and you are rejecting science for commerce. But no, I said कि नहीं, मेरे से नहीं होगा, I will stick to commerce, and in commerce I will do the most toughest and the most prestigious degree. So this was मतलब my idea till class 9. But the major turn around or the trigger point कि मेरे को बनना है तो बनना है, अपने family में youngest CA बनना है.
Wow.
That came because I do have a cousin brother. No one in my immediate family is a chartered accountant. Till now no one is there because मेरे को देखने का कोई नहीं बनना चाहता है. My siblings they say कि नहीं इतनी पढ़ाई नहीं हो पाएगा, इतना dedication नहीं होगा. So no one is a CA, but in my distant family there is a bhaiya and he was a CA, and I since he became a CA, like the amount of like respect he used to get, like from tum he became aap. And people used to like give so much respect, and I thought कि यार ये respect मेरे को चाहिए. I was little very possessive with my parents कि how come मेरे सामने वो उनको my father gave more respect to him. How come? And he was like something which I was very competitive with him in terms of marks and the schooling thing. So I said he became CA at 24. I have to crack CA before him. So that's when the entire journey started. I just my ISC, my 12 boards completed on 1st of April 2014. And within 7 days, I had already registered. Uske 3 to 4 months pehle, my father had gone to the CA Institute. He has registered. He had brought the books also. He said, "Don't touch the books until your boards are over." So just after the boards got over, I registered for a CA tuition. Like a week later, I started my CA tuition. I cleared the first foundation in the first attempt, and that's how that's the most easiest thing. So this thing in CA it happens कि the funnel is like a broad shaped funnel. The first funnel is bigger, so people fall in. Then the second funnel is smaller.
It gets harder and harder and harder.
So first funnel is very easy, and if you are okay with your 11 and 12 studies, you will sail through your foundation. So that was easy. But as in the after foundation we have intermediate, and that's very like a lengthy syllabus. Like my entire day since I think morning, I used to wake up for my college. I used to wake up. I was a CR. So again, I have the thing
responsibilities. Class representative, she means.
So I used to attend college almost every day. मतलब जितना हो पाए, I used to attend कि अच्छा अब अगर exam है, tuition है, नहीं हो पा रहा, then only I used to miss my college. So then I used to wake up at 4 o'clock. Okay.
देख लो सीए बनना है तो ये सोच लो, मतलब इतना माइंड तो प्रिपेयर होना चाहिए.
So I was always a student who was not a smart student कि ऐसे करके एकदम फटाफट चीज़ें याद आ जाती. आई वॉज लाइक अ हार्ड वर्किंग स्टूडेंट हु यूज्ड टू वर्क हार्ड, मतलब लेट नाइट घिसना, पढ़ाई करना एक. बट देयर आर सम पोर्शन ऑफ पीपल हु वेरी लाइक स्मार्ट स्टडी पीपल. हाँ, रात को नहीं जागना एग्जाम है, बट आई यूज टू लाइक घिस के पढ़ो. तो आई वॉज दैट. सो आई यूज टू डू दैट मेहनत. So I used to wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning, study some portions for my tuition, matlab do some of the homework like till 5 o'clock. Then 5 o'clock I used to get ready and board my bus to go to my college. Like I used to take 1 hour, I used to reach the college. Like 4 hours I used to miss the last period. Last period में कुछ होता नहीं था. So I used to miss the last period. And then उसके बाद immediately from 7 to 10:30 I used to attend my college. And उसके बाद 11 o'clock I used to start my tuitions. अब वो tuition started from 11 to 2. 2 to 5 again I have a tuition. Then 5:30 to 7:30 again I have a tuition. So this was
there was no life basically. There was only padhai.
एंड मेरे पास ऐसा भी नहीं होता था कि आई हैड अ स्पेशल टाइम टू ईट माई लंच. तो वॉट आई यूज टू डू, आई हैड स्ट्रैटेजिकली प्लान कि मेरा ट्यूशंस विल बी नियर टू माई होम. So someone from mostly my father, he used to bring the tiffin. I used to like have fatafat and I used to jump to my next tuition. So things were like this till IPCC. Matlab, there's lot of effort which I had put in because I just wanted to become more than
24 के पहले सीए बनना था.
24 के पहले सीए बनना था. And I think more than that competition faded out over the time. Because I forgot, he went out, I forgot, things changed, I got more engrossed into my study. But more than that, I wanted to make my parents proud.
Of course.
Because when my parents used to get invited to my school or college to receive they used to see me receiving some award, they used to feel very happy. I was like very competitive. मेरे को अपने more than my siblings, I have to take my parents more to such award ceremony. Like I was always competitive. So I think that competitiveness made me what I am today.
I think वो पापा को भी competitiveness वो पता था, तभी वो बुक्स लाके उन्होंने बोला अभी नहीं छूना है, एग्जाम खत्म होने के बाद छूना है. Because they'd be like ईशा तो अभी से चालू कर देगी.
So that prestigious degree na, that is something, because when we were as a CA student and when I used to see some CA na, I was like, oh my god, he would have studied so much, he's a CA, oh my god. So I used to feel like मेरे को भी बनना है यार, because that prestige and that respect more than I think competitiveness, I think I just wanted that. And
the motivation was definitely
I put in all the efforts कि बस कर लो बस, because one of my teacher, he had mentioned कि 5 years of मेहनत is 50 years का luxury. या फिर 5 years का luxury is 50 years का गुलामी. So he told me this particular thing and I still abide by that कि ईशा कर लो मेहनत, कर लो and बाकी का जिंदगी live like a queen.
True, right.
So I think whatever I am doing right now, whether it's content creation, whether earning a single penny, that's entirely I give it to that particular degree.
Wow. एंड लाइक मुझे ये समझना है, बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स ये थॉट तो हमेशा ही रहता है कि बाप रे सीए तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है, बहुत रिगरस पढ़ाई होती है, बट व्हाट इज द मोस्ट चैलेंजिंग पार्ट ऑफ स्टडीइंग फॉर सीए?
I think the most difficult part is failing, and then again because I did feel that particular burn in my CA final, that I failed. There are 8 papers, okay? So I cleared so there are 4 papers, 1 group, 4 papers, 1 group. So I cleared my group 1 in first attempt, and I gave both the groups, and I cleared one of the papers of the second group. And that's exemption. You don't have to, whenever you attempt the next exam for that group 2, you don't have to reattempt if you get more than 60 in that.
Got it.
So I got that. But मेरे को ना ये फेलियर वर्ड से ना बहुत ज़्यादा चुभता था. इफ़ समवन सेड कि तो वो कम मार्क्स मिला है, यू फेल्ड, मतलब यू डिडंट स्टैंड अप टू आवर एक्सपेक्टेशन, मतलब आई यूज्ड टू लाइक the आँख से ना बूंदा बूंदा it used to fall. And what I did, the biggest motivation which helped me clear it in the next attempt, I got a call, okay, from one of my relatives the day my CA that CA final first group paper got cleared, कि अरे ईशा कैसे तुम फेल हो सकती हो, पेपर तो इजी था, मेरा ये तो XYZ तो पास हो गया, तुम कैसे फेल हो सकती हो भाई. Literally that 3 papers which I failed, I cried for 3 hours.
Oh my god.
And she was the mother of the same person who I was competitive with.
Oh my god.
तो I said अब देख तू तो गया बेटा. तो I was like,
तो चाहे दुनिया यहाँ की वहाँ हो जाए, ईशा ने तो करके दिखाना है.
तो I literally left nothing. Like I studied my institute materials, मतलब जो institute का materials होता है, like this huge. I cleared my tuition books, and I was like a person, I used to study in the terrace. During the cold winters, I used to sleep, like I was like मतलब something I was like sacrificing. It was like a meditation for me. मतलब मेरे को करना है तो करना है भाई, कि no one has the audacity next time to call me and say that.
Damn.
So but that person didn't wish me after I became CA.
वो
so I know
रंग दिख जाते हैं.
So I know कि see I am successful, मतलब अभी लोग wish नहीं कर रहे हैं.
But यार you're made of something else only. Isha, where do you think you're getting this competitiveness? Does your father have it? Does your mother have it? Where has it come from?
I don't know. I think it is. I think all girls are little bit competitive, and I think that ignited during my school days.
Do you remember any incidents from your articleship times that maybe was the most memorable one? Maybe was cringy. Anything do you remember from those days?
Yeah. So articleship time was like college, tuition, articleship, and along with that we had some special IT trainings with the institute, with the CA institute. So what used to happen that I used to complete my morning tuition, जिसके लिए I used to reach at 6 o'clock.
She used to reach at 6 o'clock. हम उठते थे 6 बजे.
तो I used to get late, मतलब 10-15 मिनट.
That 6 is also late. My God. Isha, what are you?
तो अरे हो जाता है तो मतलब आई हैव टू सी कि बाकी लोग क्या उस समय नोट डाउन कर ले लेते हैं. आई वाज लाइक लेट्स नॉट मिस एनीथिंग. तो आई नेवर यूज्ड टू मिस माय ट्यूशंस.
Wow.
सो आई थिंक तो आई वाज अ पर्सन कि मेरे को सुबह ट्यूशन अटेंड करना. आई कांट मिस माय ट्यूशन. भाई ट्यूशंस का कॉस्ट भी बहुत हाई होता था, लाइक 20,000 फॉर वन पर्टिकुलर ट्यूशन.
तो फिर तो पैसे वसूलने हैं.
हाँ, and as I gradually started in like going more into my CA journey, before spending money or before paying money to my tutors, I think most of the CA students do, they calculate the income of the CA tutors कि वो लोग कितना अर्न कर रहे हैं. Like from what I used to do कि चलो एक बैच में इतने लोग हैं and इनका XXX ब्रांच है and इनके इतने सारे बैचेस हैं. I used to multiply.
Wow.
And then I used to see, बाप रे, my God. So they used to earn, I think, in a month more than 2-3 crores. So whenever I used to pay them, I'll come back to the story. I have many stories in my life.
That's amazing. We're here for it.
So what used to happen कि tuition has to happen and वो calculation part तो अलग है, वो तो देना ही होगा वरना हम लोग तो enter नहीं करने देंगे नहीं. So that used to happen, and then I used to run for my training, like a sort of we do 15 days, 1 month का training used to happen for IT and for management, how to improve the, because people think कि CAs don't talk that well.
I think सबका भी नजरिया बदल रहा होगा आपको देख के.
नहीं. So even I was a very introvert person.
Yeah?
Very introvert. I have a very separate story with this. तो अभी वो वाला स्टोरी मिस होएगा, वो आर्टिकलशिप वाला.
नहीं, आप ये पहले बताओ आर्टिकलशिप वाला.
आर्टिकलशिप वाला I'll continue. So I was a person कि ट्यूशन जाना है, वो ट्रेनिंग भी करना है. तो मतलब हम अंधा look at, I used to walk like I'm blind on the street, and the metro was near to my CA institute. So I just used to come from the metro, एकदम भाग के मतलब I'm having apple and something I'm having. I was not aware एक बाइक वाला एकदम जोर से मार के चल गया. And that was a part of my articleship only because मतलब इतना सब कुछ चलता है in a CA student life ना. And people मतलब my batchmates saw, they said अरे ईशा रुक जाओ, चोट लगा होगा. बोले नहीं चोट नहीं लगा, मेरे को क्लास में जाना है. Like I literally ran for the classes. Then they came up, अरे भाई इसको बहुत ज़्यादा चोट लगा है, कोई स्प्रे वे लगाओ. तो आई वॉज सो एंथुजियास्टिक कि मेरे को सब कुछ कवर अप करना है, आर्टिकलशिप, ट्यूशन, ट्रेनिंग, स्टडीज, दैट वो चोट मेरे को पता ही नहीं चलता. हाँ, बट व्हेन दे एग्जैजरेटेड इट सो मच कि
बट काफ़ी लगा था.
या तो आई वॉज रनिंग, आई वॉज क्रॉसिंग द रोड, वो बाइक वाला सही आ रहा था. आई वॉज ओनली गोइंग द रॉन्ग वे बिकॉज आई वॉज गेटिंग लेट फॉर माई ट्रेनिंग. तो he also came in full speed and I was also running like this, so it hit me over here. But I was being so delved into this entire journey कि
काफ़ी engrossed Isha has been. और वो I think वो enthusiasm तभी तो ज़्यादा होगा. अभी ये स्टोरी बताने में भी इतना फील हो रहा है मुझे, तो तभी तो अलग ही लेवल का होगा, राइट?
मतलब I still cherish, मतलब इतना सारे stories है because I have done some करतूत or the other in my entire life. So I can write a novel onto it.
I think you should think about it. Let's come to how you have gotten into content creation. How did this happen?
The entire idea of how we started content creation was, if I basically say, it was my husband's idea. So back in 2017, this idea came into his mind कि let's start content creation. And at that time, there were hardly any content creators. Most Instagram was not there only.
Yeah.
YouTube was there. But then, since he was also working, and there's some restrictions when you're working in a workplace,
Right.
कि you can't do certain activities, and plus they give you so much pressure कि वो धीरे धीरे वो काम छूट ही जाता है. So and the content creation stopped in between, or it faded out. But we met in 2020 during COVID, and then both our ideas came into one place. So that's how the content creation part actually started. So that started in 2021 during the COVID era. When I was working, he was working. So and I was working in a Big Four. So you know how the Big Four
Oh
culture
God,
is.
yeah.
Like you work entire like till 2-3 o'clock. So what I used to do.
If you were busy during your articleship days, this is nothing.
This is nothing, and then articleship में तो you
ये
think
तो
कि चलो
कंपेयर ही नहीं कर सकते.
चलो you're
इसमें तो
not
24 घंटे नहीं हो सकते तुम्हारे लाइफ में.
चलो you're not a CA, you're not getting paid
Yeah.
well, you're learning something.
Yeah.
But when you're getting into a Big Four, the amount of effort and the hours you're burning your body also along
Right.
with that. So that good amount you don't get paid. So we thought कि चलो we'll start doing something
own thing.
else.
Right,
We'll
of
diversify
course,
our
of
income.
course.
We'll try and build new business. Obviously we did have in our mind कि अपने को over the time we have to leave our
Yeah.
jobs, and we wanted to start something of our own, because obviously when you're doing a job, you're working and making someone else rich.
Yeah,
You're
right.
working to build his or her empire. But
True.
when you're working for yourself, first of all, I think the freedom which I enjoy right now,
Yeah.
I don't have to ask someone before traveling.
Yeah.
I don't have to ask someone before taking a nap.
छुट्टी लेने के पहले 10 बार सोचना नहीं पड़ता.
बाप रे बाप, I used to make such bad excuses for going. Like किसी ना किसी का घर में तबीयत या किसी ना किसी का ऑपरेशन होने
Oh
वाला
my
है.
God.
So all those things accumulated, I think that built up this entire content creation idea, and that's why if you say see, Isha is also a content creator.
Yeah, that's amazing. And recently I saw one of your posts that had your little 4-month-old baby also. Have you decided you're gonna get her in your videos, or what was it?
So actually we just wanted to try something new, that specifically that content. Usually people don't post much about their babies.
Babies,
Don't
yeah.
post
आजकल तो बिल्कुल भी
so
नहीं,
much
yeah.
about, they put that evil
Yeah,
thing, or they
yeah.
put something on the face. So I was a person who declared my pregnancy over Instagram. People said कि अरे नहीं, ये नहीं करना चाहिए था, ये नहीं. And when the baby got born, then also I declared. People usually take
Yeah,
time to declare.
yeah.
So then I thought कि obviously I'll not bring her into it until she is
Wants to. Yeah, she understands, yeah.
she's more she's accepting that.
Yeah.
मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि उसको वो अगर डॉक्टर नहीं बनना चाहती तो जबरदस्ती डॉक्टर बनाना है, या she doesn't want to become a, उसको खुद से अंदर से आना चाहिए. But we were just that particular day, we just wanted to. She always loves coming into my shoots, because if I keep her into some other room and in the next room I'm doing the shoot, she always starts crying. So, but whenever I keep her in the same room, she's like very light,
She's just watching.
friendly. Yeah,
Wow.
she tries, and she's like little bit obsessed. She observes me, and obviously I
cute.
think over the time she'll become a more better person than
Yeah.
we both parents
Doing
are.
it, I mean,
Yeah.
मम्मा को देख के सीख
Yeah.
तो रही होगी ना,
कुछ
सीखेगी
तो
वो.
सीख ही रही होगी, I think so. Her brain is right now in developing phase, so
Oh,
maybe.
yeah, frontal cortex बहुत जोर से डेवलप हो रहा है अभी उसका.
So that's the thing. Specifically, I don't want to put her as a content, but that day we just thought ki since it was something on couple taxation which I was
Yeah.
speaking, so let's bring the baby.
Family angle
Yeah.
आ गया उसमें. She got the baby and made it a family post.
So that's the idea.
Does your husband also like come in your videos? How does it happen?
He does come.
He likes
and
to.
He is the person who is the backbone of the entire content creation thing.
Wow.
He is like a spine and a brain of it. So he doesn't comes more in front of the camera, but obviously when he comes, the
पीछे से
engagement
सब-
is great, because he's like the special appearance
Yeah.
person. So we use him sometimes. But I have to
Whatever our viewers demand.
But I have to request him a lot because see, right now I can come in any shape in front of camera, but he has to look because he is coming for some special appearance, so he has to look
Presentable.
best.
Very, very
Because
presentable he has to
the
look.
family people start talking, अरे आप आए थे उस शूट में, आप उसमें थे वीडियो में, ऐसे मेरे बारे में they won't talk, but when some special person comes who is very rare, तो that's them.
पंचायत तो होती है ना सबको. But that time ईशा you were only focused on like CA क्लियर करना है 24 के पहले से, ये एक गोल एक एम था दिमाग में. Now you are a content creator, you are a new like mother, you're also, you've got your relationships, you're a business woman in a way. इतने सारे रोल्स एक साथ तो बहुत मुश्किल भी तो होता होगा ना.
काफ़ी मुश्किल होता है. Like some days I'm not able to work because the baby is little bit cranky.
Yeah.
Some days I am more कि उसको छोड़ दो, थोड़ा अलग रखो, काम पे फोकस करो, तो I have to balance the
Yeah.
days out. But obviously the baby is actually very supportive. We have been talking also.
Yeah.
Through my entire journey, from the first month of my pregnancy, when I never knew कि
You
she's
conceived,
there,
yeah.
so she has always been supportive. I've been on different stages. I've spoken so much.
Done a TED talk
Yeah.
also.
I have like created so much content during my entire pregnancy that I've never ever created in my entire long pregnancy journey. So she has been very supportive. We went for a trip also, like for 15 days, and I used to walk for like 10 to 12 kilometers every day.
Wow.
And then she never used to like मेरे को वो nausea या वो vomiting वाला भी scene कभी नहीं हुआ,
How
touch wood.
sweet.
So I think again the divine thing has managed, and even my family members are very supportive. More than that, my husband is very supportive. Like in case when she was just 1.5 months old, I had to go for a seminar. And the thing is कि I had to leave her at home. I was very like यार
course,
कैसे
yeah.
I'll be able to. But my husband managed her very well. Like the entire day, he used to like keep her very close and keep her warm. So I think
मम्मा की कमी महसूस नहीं होने दी. How sweet.
so I think combined effort of everything, and we are just
Definitely,
sailing
the
through.
daughter is, I think she is getting the sleep, मतलब अच्छे से time से सोना from मम्मा, and the support from पापा, कि support कैसे करना है मम्मा को. I think she is learning from there.
I think all the good things she's learning. I hope कि वो bad things हम लोग का
वो
काफी.
तो थोड़ा सा फेज आ ही जाता है हर बच्चे के लाइफ में, बट आई फील दैट विद अ मदर सो स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड अ फादर सो सपोर्टिव, शी इज इन ग्रेट हैंड्स, आई वुड से. वोंट यू थिंक?
Yeah, definitely. I think so.
यू डिड यू एवर थिंक कि सीए तो मतलब ऐसा था कि अभी ये गोल है, लेकिन सोचा था कि गोल क्लियर करने के बाद क्या करना है? ये कभी सोचा था कि मे बी सीए करने के बाद, कभी हैड इट एवर अकर टू यू दैट आई वुड लाइक टू मेक लाइक वीडियोज एंड एडुकेट पीपल अबाउट इट?
No, so see, I always had that idea कि
Yeah.
I want to influence more people, create an awareness. But as I said, I was a very introvert person.
Yeah.
I have a very famous story about my introvert.
प्लीज हाउ डिड दैट लाइक इंट्रोवर्ट से ईशा ऐसे कैसे बन गई है सेलिब्रिटी ऑन इंटरनेट?
Yeah, that's a big thing. If someone from my school time, मतलब ऐसा होता है कि I spoke to a friend like after 5 to 6 years I'm speaking to her. She said, "बाप रे, now your
बदल गई है."
voice has changed. You are able to like impress me just by a phone call."
Wow.
So I always, whenever I speak to someone after a long time, I said कि कुछ changes तुमको feel हो रहा है ऐसा? मतलब I'm very like कि I just want to hear some good
Yeah.
things, and that's the bad thing about me.
No,
But
no,
yeah.
it's okay. I mean, you wanna cross verify कि ये change सच्ची में हुआ है नहीं हुआ है.
So the thing is कि when I was around in class 8 and 9, I was very introvert. Like I always into my study, किसी और से उतना बातचीत नहीं. तो but I was always there was a girl who bullied me. She said कि तू घर स्कूल से बाहर निकल, my boyfriend तेरे को मार देगा.
Hello.
हाँ. And my friend who was sitting beside me, she said क्या ईशा कुछ तो रिप्लाई करो, कुछ तो बोलो, ऐसे बोल के तो हमको चली जाएगी. I was not able to reply.
Damn.
Then someone told me in my family, Isha, you should wear emerald, that green stone. You know, that's very good. You can become an introvert because पता नहीं later in a
You can
stage,
become an extrovert.
you will become more confident.
Yeah.
I don't know कि वो हुआ.
I don't see any emeralds right now, so it's not the emerald.
See, I don't know if that has worked or not, but I think one more factor which has worked for me, which is looking at my CA tutors.
Yeah.
See, because even they came from a background from which I have come, but the way they are speaking, so impressive, so like matlab, you are able to understand just by the way they are speaking. वैसा कोई drawing they are not making,
Yeah.
but still you're able to understand so much. So I think that has completely, I didn't have any plans कि मेरे को CA के बाद ये करना है,
Right.
content creation करना है. But I think over the time, my first video was something कि when I used to create my initial videos, I used to lock the entire room. And I used to say everyone
अकेले में.
बाहर जाओ
अकेले में.
because I don't want to show कि how I'll be able to speak my flaws, but right now I can speak in front of like 5,000 10,000 people, in front of strangers. So I think continued I think speaking in front of camera, and maybe that emerald magic, and maybe some influence which I've got, and maybe some zest of earning more money.
Yeah.
And I think that everything has
Together,
played, yeah.
collectively, it has all made a difference.
I think destiny was already set, but I never knew about it.
What is one myth about CAs that people have that you would like to break, or you're working towards breaking?
I think people always think कि CAs are very like बुद्धू, चुपचाप,
कौन
underconfident.
है वो? किसे लग रहा है CAs बुद्धू है भाई?
Like बुद्धू in the sense कि they know, but they
हाँ,
don't know how
बात
to
नहीं
represent
करेंगे.
it. Whereas if you see an MBA, I'm not demeaning any career. They know, I think they know a little bit less than a CA, but they're able to say कि oh my
Yeah.
god, they will take a work of a CA and they will present
Market
it to
करना आता है
the
उन्हें, yeah.
So I think people think कि we CAs are not that capable of marketing or pushing or putting us in front of the entire team. So I think right now things are evolving and
Right.
people are coming, and because the communication
CAs are opening up and coming out more strongly, I
Strongly,
feel,
yeah.
right? Do you have any friends from back in the time when you were studying, and do they have an opinion how you have taken content creation and you're doing your thing? कोई ऐसे फोन करके बोलता है ईशा यार ये तो हमने भी नहीं सोचा करने का. How did this happen?
Everyone is like super surprised, and I think super impressed. Maybe some people are jealous, but I
There are always हर किस्म के इंसान होते हैं.
हाँ, so people do say कि बाप रे अब तो तुम सेलिब्रिटी बन गई होगी.
Yeah.
Whenever I call someone from my पुराने times में से, they say ईशा तुम्हें नंबर सेव करके रखी हो, तुम तो सेलिब्रिटी बन गई हो, अब तो मेरे को कैसे याद. बट आई से भाई हम नॉर्मल इंसान ही है. जस्ट दिस इज अनदर प्रोफेशन विच आई हैव जस्ट चोजन, बट वी आर ऑफ द सेम स्ट्रीम, वी आर ह्यूमंस, एंड द वे यू आर कनेक्टेड विद मी, आई एम ऑल्सो द सेम वे आई रिमेंबर यू. तो पीपल डू से, बट हाँ, बट आई मतलब दिस इज द ओनली ओपिनियन विच, अरे भाई सब सेम है, थोड़ा अलग प्रोफेशन है वो बस. You work in office, I work in front of camera.
Yeah.
That's the only thing.
We're doing somewhat the same thing. Yeah.
But obviously the confidence and the way we speak, that has become more like people do get impressed.
Yeah.
So I think that change has happened. Obviously, facially things have changed. I've become more like a more pretty person than before. Obviously,
Glow up.
I think the camera models have also changed, so maybe due to that.
That also helps. But no, I'll tell everyone that she's actually pretty in person. I mean, मैं तो बिना कैमरा के लेंस के देख रही हूँ. I can say that she is really pretty, and she has that new mommy glow also.
And you mommy pooch also, which I'm trying to reduce.
No, I mean, I would have never thought. First of all, तो मुझे ईशा को देख के ऐसे लगा ही नहीं. She has a baby, 4-month-old baby, which is a compliment of the greatest honor, I feel.
That's the power of content creation. You can disguise your inner feelings.
She is giving out the secrets, guys. Has motherhood changed how you look at things? Do you feel? It's quite recent, na, that you've become a mother. How do you feel that दुनिया को देखने का नजरिया बदला है?
See, definitely when I travel today, that's the longest time I would be separated from my baby.
4 days. Oh.
Yeah, usually when I just travel early in the morning, and I try to come back to a ASAP on the same day. Wow. But today it was like before, my husband used to say that we were like a person कि अगर मेरे को कल गोवा जाना है, मतलब गोवा जाना है, मतलब I say कि तुम मेरे को बोले थे गोवा जाओगे, लेके क्यों नहीं गए गोवा? तो ही सेड चलो अब भी टिकट बुक करते हैं. दो वी वर सच अ पर्सन कि अभी 2 घंटे बाद का वी कैन बुक अ फ्लाइट एंड वी कैन जस्ट ओपन द कबर्ड, थ्रो ऑल द थिंग्स, टॉयलेटरीज, क्लोथ्स, एंड वी कैन जस्ट गो अवे. But right now I have become a person who has become little more responsible because there is someone who I have given birth to, and I have some so I think that way things have changed. I have to think twice before doing anything. Obviously in terms of the financial things, I have become we are right now focusing on wealth creation,
of course,
yeah, and creating more assets, more tangible assets, making good investments, and because we think ki wo lineage ko we need to transfer, so things have changed. Before we were not that we were, but we were not thinking on that basis.
You were responsible, but like not responsible for a third like person in your life. Since we are on this topic, and you are figuring it out yourself, what is a advice you would give new parents who've just welcomed a child in their life, wealth creation पर, wealth management पर, what is something that you think लोग सोच नहीं रहे हैं but उन्हें सोचना चाहिए?
See, people while they give a birth to a baby, वो लोग वो उसके इतने उसका काम रहता है कि people just don't think about कि what they will transfer to the baby in case unfortunately if they are not there or something bad happens. They should always create something emergency fund, or these are like gyan, but people will think this is a gyan. But अगर by chance कुछ हो गया, by chance we are not job था job नहीं रहा, business है business नहीं रहा, but the amount which you will start accumulating for your baby, like as soon as the baby boy or baby girl is born, you're creating something for her. So maybe we should start investing. उसका आधार कार्ड जल्दी से बनाना चाहिए, and we should start investing. And more than that, I think financially is something, and over the baby we have to invest more time. Right now I am in a phase ki even if I am doing a business, I have a lot of freedom to spend a lot of time with my baby. I don't have to like end my maternity leave and just go. That in that case I do have that freedom. Many people don't have, but I think they should take out time, because the baby is only the wealth which will stay with you. I think other things will go on and off, but the way you, because that's a very gyanbaji, but she's a very like very gila mitti or mold. The way you mold her, because she will be the one who will be taking your lineage forward. And because even if you earn enormous money, if your baby is not good, she'll just spend.
She wouldn't know what to do with the money responsibly.
And we have, because obviously people are earning earning very well, but we have to make our baby or our child also responsible. What we have thought specifically for our child, कि we will give her, we will employ her at a very young age in our business. We will give her small task, and based on that we will
give her salary. No, so pocket money, salary.
So that she learns business very quickly. She knows the ahmiyat or the value of money, every
of working hard for that money.
Because see, if we are earning well, लोग समझते भाई ये तो, our children will think अरे भाई ये तो मेरे मम्मी पापा बहुत अच्छा earn कर रहे हैं, I can just spend thrift, मतलब आराम से I can. But when you like divulge your kid into something where he or she understand कि your parents are also very hardworking there, so that's how we are planning the journey.
That's amazing. It's a great advice. मैं पूछने वाली थी कि now your child is just 4 months old, but you must, हर पेरेंट का ऐसा होता है ना कि मैंने मेरे बच्चे को ऐसे बड़ा करना है, मैं ये अलग से करूँगी, वो अलग से करूँगी. तो at what age, I was gonna just ask like you answered, at what age do you think the kids should be allowed to play around with some money? And by play around I don't mean just splurge. For them to understand money and what it is like to spend, to save, how to budget yourself, ये कौन से age से बच्चों को सिखाना ज़रूरी है?
I think as early as मतलब we are planning her planning school by 3.5 years. So maybe from that time we'll start, or अगर जल्दी भी होगा तो we'll start feeding her with all those values. She's a girl child of 2 CAs, and अगर we are not able to fulfill her with all those financial knowledge, I think
financially so informed and smart. That is the plan. But say there are people out there who are watching you right now. So many of your followers who are not CA, but they're just there because they know, they trust you कि आप ऐसे टिप्स तो ज़रूर दोगे जिससे वो अपना लाइफ, अपने बच्चों का लाइफ संवार सकते हैं, राइट? तो उन्हें आप क्या बोलोगे कि उनको अपने बच्चे को कब से पैसों से मतलब इंट्रोड्यूस रूबरू करना चाहिए, इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहिए, और किस तरीके से? बिकॉज back in the time when we were much younger, we used to get pocket money. But I don't think it taught us a lot about money enough. At least if you weren't a CA, you wouldn't know as much what to do with the money. You would know, okay, काम करने से पैसा मिलता है, but वो पैसा कमाने का और उसका करने का क्या? How do you create create wealth out of it? ये तभी नहीं सिखाया जाता. तो अभी क्या अलग करना चाहिए पेरेंट्स को जो हमारे पेरेंट्स ने नहीं किया है?
So see, what we have planned for our baby, that's I'm just speaking out what we have planned. Ki as a parent or as a grandparent, we tell different bedtime stories to our child. Different mythological stories. In that, what we are trying to feed in the money value. Whether it is what is money, how to invest money, how to earn money. What are different insurance schemes, what is insurance, what is like small tits and bits, like the major thing which the people normal the children section they don't know. Because right now we did inquire with some of the young parents whose child they have grown around 5 to 6 years कि स्कूल में do they teach do they have any specific syllabus? Because there's syllabus for science, arts,
everything,
color,
but
drawing,
not this,
but not finance. So we did inquire. We are onto some project where we were inquiring about people ki how do you inject this particular thing of financial knowledge into whether it's done by the school person or whether you are doing. So they were just they didn't know anything, they are not doing anything. So then we came up with we are working on a special project where we are trying to put in some mythological things, grandparents things, where the bedtime stories don't just are bedtime stories, they
life
will be
lessons
infused with money values. So we are coming
that is
up,
very interesting that you've just shared, because I was just thinking हम bedtime stories, why has no one ever thought of this कि हम SIPs और म्यूचुअल फंड्स के बारे में
थोड़ा जैसे she'll grow, starting though we'll start with this simple money things.
पैसा होता क्या है?
Simple, because the earlier you inculcate, because going forward अभी के टाइम तो उतने scams हो रहे हैं, but उन लोग के टाइम तो my god scams मतलब if you just pick up the phone, hello, and your money would be
shit.
So we have to we have to prepare them for that. So I think we should start as early as possible. So those all things has come into already my mind, and then we are thinking of something as a child grows. We are waiting for her to speak a bit, like understand a bit, right,
react a little, so you understand where she is at, कितना समझ आ रहा है. और मैंने ऐसे भी सुना है कि हर बच्चे का एक अपना तरीका होता है सीखने का. तो for you to understand कि how is Nitya understanding or learning, you'll have to let her grow a little bit, right? You are a mom. Moms have the craziest connection with their kids. What would you suggest moms out there, new moms or moms who have kids who've grown up a little, who may not be doing, giving financial knowledge or just training their kids to become financially sound? What is a word of advice you would give them कि आप अपने बच्चे को as a mom क्या अलग से सिखा सकते हो?
आप अलग से I don't think कुछ सिखाने का ज़रूरत है. एवरी डे का जो household items है या household work है या whether that mom is a working or she's a homemaker, no matter whatever thing you're doing, I think you should involve your baby into it, because she gets to know कि अच्छा ये हो रहा है, अच्छा इसको ऐसे करना चाहिए. Even if she is not understanding that well, but back of the mind वो हमेशा उसकी subconscious mind में रहेगा. So I think we should involve, like if I'm making some milk, or even if I'm washing her bottle, I try to explain ki see your milk is hot. I just try to कि देखो milk hot है, इसको अभी नहीं पीना है, इसको we have to put in cold water, it will turn cold because you like cold coffee more. True. Something like that. I just try to preach in something, and then I
creatively
try to, so that I think involvement, because see, as a mother, whether you're working, whether you're not working, you are busy. I think in that busy schedule you have to put them in. Yeah,
get them to do the work with you. Moral support. वरना तो हमने ऐसे ऐसे दिन देखे जब ऐसे सोचे इसको क्या समझ आ रहा है, इसको क्यों कुछ बताना.
Like when I take some sessions, Nitya thinks that I'm talking to her, but I'm talking to the students. So she starts responding. Then I have to go away from the room. All the students, once so they asked, do you have a small baby at home? Then I have to tell them the entire story. कि मेरी बेटी अभी 4 months पहले she has taken birth. So when I teach the other people, she thinks that I am teaching her. So she starts responding. So I involve her in everything mostly.
हमारा भविष्य उज्जवल है दुनिया का. 4 month old नित्या is already learning finance. We've taken ages to learn it.
I think that's the least we can do with both parents as CA.
True. And lately with the world that we are living in, and like I feel finance is one topic that is so common between all of us, regardless what class we come from, what diverse area of life we're coming from. One thing we will all relate to is on finance, और हर किसी को अपना पैसा बचाना है, बढ़ाना है. The budget is soon incoming. What do you think? Let's first talk about last year's budget, which did seem like it was a relief for many people. What was your opinion about it?
I think it was a relief for many people. Government is trying to build up the new tax regime.
Yeah.
So they are trying to put in more things. So I think the basic aim of there is कि सारे जो old regime वाले लोग हैं उनको new tax regime में shift करना है. So they are trying to put in new and more beneficial things, beneficial deductions or ideas into the new tax regime.
Yeah.
So I think they are more into pushing people into the new tax regime, and I think.
Do you think the new tax regime is beneficial for the people?
It is, depending what's your income and how much is the deduction which you are claiming under Chapter 6A. So basis that only you can say that old or new tax regime. So
imagine I don't understand Chapter 6A. So see, explain this to me in a very layman term.
So see, you are earning something, okay, but you are spending on your insurance. Maybe you have taken a home loan, so you are paying your principal, you are paying your interest. Suppose you have a PPF account. So what does government do? Ki out of your total income, these are deducted.
Yeah.
But what happens in a new tax regime that these deductions are not available. But the tax slabs are better. But in old tax regime, you can take these as deductions. Obviously, the tax slabs are not that better. So whatever matches your income and the deduction thing which you're doing, if you're a person who does more investments in those particular schemes which the government has suggested, then for sure, I think depending on, I think as a CA, whenever we have to suggest कि old जाना है new जाना है, first of all, I make a comparison. कि ये income है, ये deductions है, and then only I'm able to say yes or no.
Having a CA in your life is so important because it's very difficult for laymen to understand हम कर क्या रहे हैं.
Doctor, CA, and I think lawyer. These are the 3 people which are highly required.
I'll let you know that I'm a lawyer who has also made a career shift and gotten into media because I was like, I prefer this side of the coin better.
You are doing the work of a lawyer only because you would have spoken in the court. And, you're speaking.
Now I'm speaking here in front of the camera.
At least you don't have to fight.
And fight sometimes for the wrong things. I'm also loving. So when you said that the shift that you made here and the freedom that is there here while you're still also pursuing what you mainly did, it's different. It's a different side of the coin which people won't understand until they come to this side.
Correct. People,
उस साइड से नहीं समझेगा
कभी नहीं. People are still very skeptic. ये लोग करते क्या हैं?
Yeah.
ये लोग CA पर ये लोग अपना डिग्री का यूज क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं? But we are using, see, that degree is the core and which has made us this
Exactly,
particular person.
exactly.
Now this trust, credibility, whatever knowledge we are molding into content
Right.
and influencing people, helping people
In a better
yeah.
way कि हमें वो आप तक कन्वे करना आ रहा है, तो we are utilizing this skill also.
At least we are not charging as a consulting CA, as a practicing CA. If you go and ask कि मेरे पास 1 करोड़ रुपए है and how will I invest? They charge on
based
profit
on
basis.
how much money you
Yeah.
are taking to them also.
At least we are not charging, so that thing.
You don't even realize what you're getting. फिर भी पंचायत करनी है कि ये क्यों कर रहे हैं, कैसे कर रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं. Yeah, like you said, the government is nudging people towards the new tax regime, right? This year, what do you think? What are we expecting? Do you have any things in your mind that you think may happen, may not happen?
This year, I think major changes will be coming because the government is doing a major redrafting of the entire income tax bill. So still finger crossed कि
Yeah.
things happen best
Work in
for,
our favor, yeah.
So major things are coming. The CA Institute has also proposed कि couple taxation हो.
Yeah.
Like
the reel जिसमें baby Nitya is there. Yeah.
कि see couples used to file. You have a different income. Your husband, your spouse has a different income. So you file different tax returns. You have different set of deduction.
Right.
But in case suppose you are not working, only your husband is working. So you certainly have some deductions, although you're not earning. But your husband is paying. Suppose he's earning 15 lakhs. He's paying full tax on 15 lakhs. But in case that happens, maybe if he gets a 3 lakh exemption from your quota, so he'll be paying less,
right,
maybe
yeah.
on 12
Tax
lakhs
में कम
or
कटेगा.
14 lakhs, some on a lesser.
Right.
We're not still very sure because this is just a proposal. Whether the government will approve it or not, that's completely on.
Who do you think this would be most beneficial to? Like families that have 2 working parents or families that, I mean, how is this going to pan out?
I think this would be more beneficial where one of the
members
are
earning, the others not.
Yeah. But depends how the government is going to frame it. Maybe it can be beneficial where both people are working.
It's maybe to lessen the burden in houses where only
you
one
have to
person
file
is
only
earning.
one ITR.
Yeah.
That's also one thing because for filing ITR you have to pay more
Yeah.
money to the CA also. So वहाँ का खर्चा भी बचेगा.
वहाँ का खर्चा भी बचेगा. तो इसी वजह से आई थिंक अगले साल तक जिन्होंने शादी नहीं की कर लेनी चाहिए. आकाश, are you listening? Earlier generations ऐसे था कि वो पहले सेव करेंगे फिर वो एक अमाउंट इन्वेस्ट करेंगे. अब हम उल्टा देख रहे हैं, लाइक द कार्ड्स हैव रिवर्स्ड. नाउ पीपल आर इन्वेस्टिंग फर्स्ट एंड देन दे आर थिंकिंग अबाउट सेविंग. डू यू थिंक दिस इज रिस्की, दिस इज स्मार्ट? व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ डिसीजन इज दिस? आर वी हेडेड in a more secure direction or are we headed in a more risk factor wala direction?
See, if you compare with the era of our parents or our grandparents, obviously the awareness has increased.
Yeah.
People that time they never used to save for themselves. Like
Right.
they used to spend on their weddings, on their children, and they didn't have a good corpus. Like
Right.
in case if no one is there and if there is no business, no
Yeah.
income, they didn't have anything, and then things used to go
Yeah.
worse. But right now people have that awareness, that competence ki as early as possible agar मैं job लगा, you start investing 1,000 rupees also, but start investing. So I think that is obviously a great shift which people
So invest
are doing.
first, save later.
मतलब I think devise your income that way.
Just tell me this. मैंने ये सुना है कि आपकी इनकम का 30%, like monthly जितना कमा रहे हो उसका 30% you should invest and then figure out the rest of the expenses. Do you believe this is the right number or is there a different number?
See, there is a 50-30 thing or 50-30-20 thing which people say, but it totally depends person to person.
Yeah.
Ki in case that person is having maybe a huge
More expenses, right?
more
Yeah.
expenses, then in that particular case that person will not able to do. But safer side, if I say, जितना भी बच रहा है, if you have an income of 30,000, if you are able to save 500 to 1,000 also per month, invest that.
Yeah.
Because the compounding effort
Yeah.
will make that thing huge
Right.
over the period. So that would be my only answer. There are different concepts कि ये ratio होना चाहिए for emergency fund, this is for SIP, this is for FD.
Yeah.
But obviously वो एक set standard है.
Right.
अभी मेरे लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है, आपकी लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है, people are not aware. So that's a basic standard. Now the best thing is कि जितना भी बच रहा है,
Yeah.
invest that.
So basically, it doesn't matter how much you are investing. What matters is you invest.
Invest.
You start investing
investing.
because when you need it, तब तक compound
Compound
होके
होके, yeah.
ज़्यादा हो गया होगा, right? Which is a very good advice because, like I was very financially illiterate for a long time. Then I started earning, and then I was like, bro, I need to understand what to do with this money now.
Even when I started earning back at the age of 22, the first thing my father said ki even if you're earning 50,000, invest this amount in
Yeah.
by invest this
होना
amount
ही
because
चाहिए.
if you have a certain idea na, because investment and all those things happen because कितना risk appetite है. अभी people invest in risky assets, people invest in safe assets. That is completely कि what is your goal? Do you want to earn 15 crores by the
Yeah.
age of this, or what's your risk appetite? So see, I'm not the correct person to tell all this कि risk appetite, and because that depends person to person.
Yeah.
But the thing is कि जितना जल्दी हो start saving for yourself because it will certainly grow over the
Right.
time. If you're 5,000 भी बच रहा है, save it. लोग बोलेंगे 5,000 तो बहुत कम है, but still save that, invest that.
What would you say in today's day and age, in जितने भी लोग आपने देखे हैं, your students or maybe people around you that are not as financially literate? आप CEO, आपके आजू बाजू में तो आपने सबको literate कर दिया होगा, but when you meet people, friends, whatever, what do you think is a mistake that earning people are making again and again और वो उससे निकल ही नहीं पा रहे? Like it's a loop, अभी वो चलते जा रहा है.
I think this is a basic thing which people do कि as and when your income is rising,
Yeah.
people start expending more.
Hmm.
Don't keep that in mind. I think if your salary is 50,000, suppose it's becoming 70,000. अभी 50,000 में से भी you were expending something,
Yeah, yeah.
but when you're 70,000, you think, oh my god, I've got 20,000 more, I'll spend more. But in that case, you guys should go and save that extra money because
Right. 50 में भी घर तो चल ही रहा था.
So obviously थोड़ा living standard better होगा,
Yeah.
but obviously don't like spend your entire
right, yeah,
So
yeah.
I would suggest that because obviously people look for promotion, for increment.
True.
And in that particular case, I think rather than spend, if suppose they have some EMI, they have some big goals ki I have to buy a home and all those things, then I would say ki you can spend on that. But in case you don't have any big thing,
If it's temporary
yeah,
luxury तो फिर मत करो.
mat karo वही.
Makes sense. In today's global uncertainty, where do you think young people should focus their investments more on? On safety or on growth?
I think a mix of both. Again, that comes again ki many people whose risk appetite is very huge, they don't look for safety. They say कि जितना risk ले रहे हैं उतना high
बढ़ेगा,
income होगा.
yeah.
So that depends because लोग वैसे हैं जो risky assets claim कर रहे हैं तभी वो लोग equity market चल रहे हैं. And there are people who are very not very aggressive with their goals, तो FD भी चल रहा है. So there are both section of people. So it totally depends कि on people.
आपको क्या सूट करता है बेस्ट? मेक अ इन्फॉर्म्ड डिसीजन किसी सीए के पास जाके.
I'll not be very कि ये you should do because I just don't want to mislead anyone. It totally depends on certain criteria.
This is a very interesting one. From a budget point of view, which sector do you think deserves more government attention this year?
See, there are a couple of sectors. India is something. India is a country which has a growing population right now, and growing population education मांगता है. Infrastructure चाहिए, healthcare चाहिए because you have seen there are different things which are happening all over India in terms of healthcare. In terms of infrastructure also, we are not that up to mark with the developed countries. And education, maybe I think we need a bit of advanced education or something.
सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे तो ऐसे मतलब like on a side note मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि civic sense education में सिखाना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है because at least लोगों को समझ तो आएगा कि public में behave कैसे करना है, खुद conduct कैसे करना है.
वही recently that Vande Bharat new sleeper train which started from Kolkata to Guwahati, it गवर्नमेंट तो अब उसको एकदम चकाचक नया बना के दिया, बट पीपल स्टार्टेड
Already.
हैविंग चाय एंड देन थ्रोइंग इट. तो अब गवर्नमेंट कितने सारे
और
civic
कितना
work-
मेंटेन करने के लिए कितना नजर रखना पड़ेगा. आई मीन वन थिंग इज ब्रिंगिंग development and difference. The other thing is maintaining it when there are so many people who just don't give, I shouldn't use it. But they're not taking care of it. Yeah, they don't understand ki, this is done by the government for us and it's taxpayers' money and we are just spitting on it just like
there are
that.
different countries ki if you spit something or if
Yeah.
your dog poops anywhere,
yeah.
You are fine.
You're
but
fined.
India, I think, doesn't have such regulations still.
और
now.
yet for that to come, that is why I mean हमारे education sector में ये civic sense आना इतना ज़रूरी है.
And I think healthcare भी improve होना.
बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी
And
है.
I think उससे ऊपर I think the AI and the digitalization part
Yeah.
should, because everyone in terms of AI is like AI is trending all over the world.
Yeah.
So I think in terms of tech we should focus more on
Yeah,
this
we should
particular-
pull our socks up, right? The next question was that only. Do you think there should be a focused push on AI implementation in government systems to make compliance and processes easier?
डेफिनेटली
Yeah.
तो एकदम ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज गवर्नमेंट इंस्टीट्यूशंस में क्या होता है कि दे हैव सो मच मैनुअल वर्क कि वो फाइल उधर का उधर ही रह जाता है, चीज़ बढ़ती ही नहीं आगे. लाइक इवन इफ यू गो टू सम पोस्ट ऑफिस
Yeah.
फॉर डूइंग सम एनएससी और एनी इन्वेस्टमेंट, दे डू इट स्टिल मैनुअली. दे मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ पीपल, वहाँ
Yeah.
टिक टिक टिक. अभी भी फॉर्म्स क्यों लाइक वैसा फॉर्म्स
yeah.
क्यों आ रहा है? यू हैव माई
Offline forms,
डिटेल्स.
right? Yeah.
It should just catch the Aadhaar
True.
card has all the details. It should, whenever you give the Aadhaar card, you
Yeah,
should, they
integrate
should.
हो जाना चाहिए.
So I
agree.
think in that particular case, it's very
होना
highly
चाहिए.
required.
अच्छा, because I recently saw a reel of yours कि ChatGPT कैसे थोड़ा discriminative सा है, but ऐसा बहुत देखने को मिलता है कि a lot of people who are not going to professional CAs, but they are seeking financial knowledge या फिर guidance through ChatGPT, through AI. Would you suggest them that it's okay to do that? Yeah, they should be careful about it.
I think, see, if I just want to get a preliminary knowledge,
Yeah.
I wouldn't एकदम invest my money जो भी ChatGPT बोलता है, just to get a preliminary knowledge or just to get a second opinion.
Yeah.
कि whether to verify whether the other person who has advised you, that person is saying everything correct. So
Right.
to get a second opinion or to just get a preliminary view, you can use ChatGPT. But obviously then ChatGPT का disclaimer भी आता है. These are just opinions. You should do your proper research. तो लोग काफ़ी सारे, I also have heard a story where a person, where a boy who used to talk to ChatGPT and then he is not there in the world because ChatGPT made him do things, and even ChatGPT wrote even a suicidal note कि the ChatGPT is something वो भड़काना start कर दिया था against the family. The boy was also a little bit depressed. He used to say that my mother, my father, they are more attentive towards my brother and they're not attentive towards me. So then he also asked certain question कि what should I do, and वो धीरे धीरे suicidal path में, then he's not. It's not in India. It's one of a case in USA. But हाँ, these are certain stories which come up, तो वो ChatGPT से एक बार.
And there are some other, I mean ChatGPT, OpenAI, इन सब के बारे में मतलब ऐसा बहुत लोगों ने ये भी मतलब ऐसे कोई ना कोई होता है ना जाके कुछ टेस्ट करता है कि अभी मैं तुम्हारी नॉलेज टेस्ट करूंगा, तुम्हारी एफिशिएंसी टेस्ट करूंगा. तो एक मैंने देखा था कि स्ट्रॉबेरीज में कितने आवर्स है बताओ, ऐसे किसी ने पूछा. तो persistently it said there are 2 hours in strawberry, which is not correct. There are 3 hours in strawberry, but you had to go back and forth with ChatGPT or OpenAI to get them to even accept the fact that they are wrong about it. So there are many times where the AI can be a little biased or maybe not fully researched or fully informed. You will still have to be a little vigilant.
Last में दिल से oh sorry मैं तो भूल गया था.
Thank you for correcting me. Bro, life advice लेने आपके पास आ रहे. Thank you for correcting me.
And I think many very like Gen Z people or new age people, they are falling prey to it.
Yeah, so many people are using it for therapy. Do you know people are taking therapy? ChatGPT is their therapist.
Free.
Have you heard of this? It's a trend. I mean, of course, there are some people who are going to a professional for therapy, but there are so many people who still feel it is stigmatized. They don't want to go to a stranger and talk about it. They're talking to ChatGPT about it.
we don't know how they will use this data because
Yeah, it's all metadata, it's all getting feeded somewhere. You are giving your data openly to someone, telling them everything that's happening, the ex that cheated on you and what that person did. It's a little scary still, I feel.
Yeah, you can use it as your assistant, but like I use it as an assistant, but then I scold that GPT also.
Yeah.
You're not capable of doing this.
Yeah.
I'm doing this on my own.
Yeah.
So see, it can help you at some extent, but rest I
You
think
shouldn't completely rely on it कि अरे अब ये है तो अभी मेरे को होमवर्क करने की जरूरत नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, right? I've got a very fun rapid fire segment for you. Let's have you this or that है,
Okay.
and you can add why you pick what answer. Old tax regime or new tax regime?
I selected new.
New, you did. Then most beneficial.
Yeah, it was beneficial for me.
Saving first or investing first?
I think investing first.
And then save.
Saving वहाँ से carry forward हो जाता है.
Excel sheets or content scripts?
Excel sheets are only the pivot of my content scripts because I plan all my schedule from there.
Yeah, and you're doing a series also, right? Ki how to make Excel easy for
Correct.
trainees, interns, and all of that. Very interesting, huh? मतलब कुछ if I just letting you guys know, there are some shortcuts in Excel that most times our seniors have known, and we don't, and they always like to boast about it. Ki, "Arey, you don't know this easy thing," but Isha is making life easier for you guys. You can just go and check out her reels. She's on day 5 of it, I think. I've seen the 5th one yet. And she's giving us easy shortcuts that you can use in Excel on sheets. And you can make your tables and all of that easily. Structured routine or flexible days?
I think flexible days as a new mother, I think.
Yeah. कि जब मन करे, जब baby needs me, I'm there for her. When I can take some time off. Yeah. Makes sense. Save money or growth money?
I think a mix of both. I'm a little bit not that risk taker, so I believe in
थोड़ा cautious
safety
होना.
and thoda growth.
Yeah. Teaching online or consulting one-on-one?
This depends. Whoever wants.
What do you like? I mean, what has been the best experience for you?
I think teaching online to many people
Yeah.
in one
Once.
particular batch because there are different questions which come up in case we are doing
Tickles
one.
your brain also, yeah.
And with so many people there na, in case you have a bad mood also na, तो उन लोग से बात करने से ना वो आराम से I come back to my good mood. So
How sweet, how sweet. Passive income or active hustle?
I think if we are doing active hustle, then you get more reserve, and then we are putting that into passive income.
Good idea.
So as a CSE, कहीं से भी पैसा छोड़ने को नहीं है.
बिल्कुल भी छोड़ना नहीं है. Risk taking or calculated moves?
Risk take calculated.
Always.
Always.
मतलब रिस्क भी ले रहे हो तो थोड़ा कैलकुलेटिव रिस्क
Yeah.
लेना जरूरी है, right? One word for your current phase in life. What are we feeling?
Being more responsible.
Yeah. You've got another life depending on you now. That is there. And आगे जाके to just conclude our conversation, which has been great, what do you hope that after maybe 20 years of age, when your baby sees your content, what do you feel, what do you hope she takes back from it?
First of all, I hope she doesn't judges me.
मम्मा क्या कर रही थी?
I hope she doesn't make a fun कि कैसा acting कर रही थी, इससे better तो I could act. So going forward, I think first of all she doesn't judges me, I think, and second thing, I think she becomes a better person.
Yeah.
Like suppose if we are standing at position A, she is at least at position B, C or D.
Yeah.
Like that's the thing.
Growing onwards and upwards, that
Yeah.
is. Nitya, if you ever come to see this episode of mine, of my conversation with your mama, here's a hi to you, and I hope you're doing well in life. And thank you, Isha, for joining me here.
Thank you
What
so
a great
much.
conversation I've had with you. Motherhood, CA, कैसे अपने बच्चों को तैयार करना है for the life ahead. What to expect from the budget ahead. We've talked about what not. It's been pleasant for me.
Like we start from A, we complete at Z.
पूरा journey की
Just
बात कर लिया
a
हमने.
girl gossip.
Girl gossip session. I'm glad. I hope you had fun because I too did.
I definitely, and I will definitely, like wherever I'm just obsessed with my baby. So wherever people are saying Nitya, I'm just clubbing all together and I'll see. देखो, तुम्हारा हम बचपन से brand promotion किया है.
Right on. Thank you so much for coming here with me.
Thank you so much for inviting. It was great chatting with you.
I'm glad. ऐसे ही आपके favorite creators, actors, influencers will be joining me soon on this podcast, which is Off Script with Social Nation. So stay tuned.